Hi, Jason Canola, GQue Barbecue. Are you one of those carnivores that try to eat clean and stick to the paleo diet? Well, if so, today I'm going to show you how to make a barbecue sauce. If you want to see how we do that, it's coming up right now. Here at GQue Barbecue, we are all about the grilling and chilling lifestyle. If that's something that interests you, smash down that subscription button, hit that bell notification, and you won't miss any of our videos. So I know there's a handful of viewers out there that want to try to eat clean. And one of the things they're trying to avoid is sugar. And sugar is a main ingredient in most barbecue sauces. So today, I'm trying to put together a type of barbecue sauce that is still gonna taste good without having any sugar in it. We're gonna use the natural sweeteners from pineapples to incorporate a lot of sweetness into a barbecue sauce. I know pineapple juice is a big ingredient in Sweet Baby Ray's, so I'm hoping that it translates into a decent tasting sauce. To get this paleo barbecue sauce going, the first thing I'm going to do is take a white onion. I'm not super concerned about how fine or how thick these pieces are since we're going to blend them up later. So just get a good medium rough chop on these. I'm then going to take 4 large garlic cloves. I want to get a good chop on these. For today's cook, I am going to be cooking in the Gateway drum smoker. We're going to be targeting a temperature of right around 350 degrees. In order to cook at that temperature, we need something that's going to hold up to the long, hot heat. So I'm going to be cooking in the red Dutch oven. We're going to coat the bottom of the Dutch oven with some canola oil. To the oil, we're going to add those 4 garlic cloves, 1 chopped onion. We're going to season it up with some salt and some pepper. We're going to give these guys a stir to ensure the oil is coated all over the onions and to evenly distribute the garlic. Put the lid on. We're going to let them cook till they can get nice and soft and sweat out some of that flavor. This will probably take about 6 or 7 minutes. For the tomatoes for the paleo barbecue sauce, what I got here is about 5 medium tomatoes. If you have large tomatoes, go with about 3 large tomatoes. Doesn't really matter how fine of a chop you put on these, again, since these are all going to end up in the blender later. So these guys have been cooking for about 6-7 minutes. You can see they're nice and soft. We've extracted all that good garlic flavor out of the garlic. Ready to add our next ingredients. The chopped tomatoes. The tomatoes were not seasoned, so I'm going to go ahead and hit those with a little bit of salt. And then I'm going to add 6 ounces of tomato paste, which is just basically nothing but concentrated cooked tomato flavor. Then I'm going to add 1 cup of beef stock. If you want to make a vegetarian paleo barbecue sauce, use vegetable stock. Then I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 2 tablespoons of paprika, 1 teaspoon of sea salt. Then to bring some heat to the sauce, 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. If you like more heat, add more cayenne pepper or add an even hotter pepper. And then to complement the heat, we're going to bring some sweetness to the sauce, and that's crushed pineapples. This is 20 ounces of crushed pineapples. If you don't want a sweet sauce, add about 10 to 12 ounces of crushed pineapple. We're going to give these ingredients a stir and let this cook for about an hour or so all those wonderful flavors can create some depth and begin to homogenize. Once all those ingredients are stirred, I'm going to add the juice of 1 lemon. What I love about adding lemon and citrus is I feel like it really wakes everything up. It's like a natural flavor enhancer. So the paleo barbecue sauce has been cooking for about 30 minutes. All the ingredients are very soft as I stir it around. I'm going to let this cook for a little bit longer. I'm going to leave the lid off. I'm going to hope to try to get some color in here. So we'll put the lid to the Gateway drum smoker back on and let this guy roll for another 25-30 minutes. So the paleo barbecue sauce has been going for another 25 minutes or so, and it looks like it did pick up a little bit of color. Everything is super soft. So I am now ready to blend it. I got a rack of salt and pepper spare ribs right here that we're going to apply that barbecue sauce to. If you're looking for a way to cook ribs, check out one of my rib videos down below. So that's a paleo barbecue sauce recipe for all of you that are out there trying to eat clean. If you don't want to miss any of our non-paleo barbecue recipes, go ahead and click my face right there to subscribe. Also, YouTube is going to put together a video for you that they think is best. If you want to see that, go ahead and click down below. Jason Goodall, GQue Barbecue, and I'll see you on the next one.